Hello guys, Tech Review 6 here. Just wanted to do an update on Airsoft. This is what we will be buying soon. The A&K Full Metal SVD Spring Sniper Rifle. Airsoft gun, obviously. It's in black. Here it is. 114 bucks. This is Airsoft GI. Airsoft Megastore does not have it. So we have to get it on here. It's the same exact price as everywhere else. But we'll have to find a different scope for it. This one's a bit pricey. 250 bucks. Yeah, it costs more than the gun, so that's kind of bullshit. So we'll buy a different scope. Make it look like the standard Dragunov SVD scope with the eyepiece and everything. See a bunch of other stuff here that we can get. But here's the gun itself. Try to zoom in here. It does come with this leather cheek rest thing. And we're thinking about painting the grips and stuff after a while. After we've had it for a while. So this is just an update on the Matrix. Matrix A&K Full Metal SVD Sniper for 114 bucks. This will be our latest, and pretty soon we'll be buying different pistols or something, submachine guns possibly. As you remember, these, we sold one for about 50 bucks or 45 bucks. They're originally like 70 bucks. We've had them for a while. We're gonna use propane, or we're telling the person we sold it to use propane. He's actually a friend of ours. He's getting into Airsoft. We're starting him up, starting Airsoft for him and stuff. So this is just an update what we'll be getting. A sniper. So yeah, thank you for watching.